Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abdjine and today we are doing a what I eat in a day video with moi to be somewhat slim thick. That was me trying to show you guys how slim thick I am depending on your definition of slim thick. Anyway, so it's currently 10:30. I don't usually wake up that late. I woke up at 7 a.m. to film this video. However, I went back to sleep. So I woke up 2 hours later, 3 hours later, and now we're about to make breakfast. Usually I would have my breakfast around 8 o'clock, but again, it's a different day. It's a different day and I felt like sleeping in, so let's have breakfast at 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna bring you guys closer so you guys could see what I'm doing here. Okay, so we are back here. So we are making a mushroom omelet for you know, to start our day. We are using onions, some sweet peppers, not regular bell peppers, some mushroom, of course. I already washed everything, so don't worry, I'm very safe, and a bowl to crack our eggs in. And I hope this angle is okay so you guys can, like, you know, to see everything. Yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna probably zoom through this. Let's have a little chit chat while we're at it. What's the topic? Oh, okay. So I know I usually do regular voiceovers. Ugh, I'm gonna stay like this. Yeah, I usually do regular voiceovers, but I realized that I'm way more awkward, especially when I'm in my room by myself. I'm like, who am I talking to? But when I'm doing something and I'm talking at the same time, I don't know, I like that better. I feel like it's way more natural. So we're gonna go with that today. And also, voiceover is a lot of work. Like when you think you're done editing, you're like, shit, I don't even have my voiceover. So it's a lot of work and I don't feel like doing that this week. So we're just gonna talk to the camera directly and have a little, you know, spend a little day together. That's how I see it. And, you know, watch me cooking. And they also call me Rachel Ray's sister because, you know, my skills are like pretty rival to hers. So I'm pretty flattered. Cutting board, and I would not recommend it. Not at all. It's very, very noisy. And my knife is pretty terrible too, so use a sharper knife. We are going to turn on our stove. You know, I'm using a regular pan. This is non-stick. I would recommend you using a stick. I don't have a good stick pan, non-stick pan, so I'm using this one right here. Yeah. Okay, I have successfully diced all my my fillings, mushroom, peppers, and onions. So now I'm gonna just beat my eggs and season it. Just the regular stir stuff, you know. Adobo. We don't support Goya anymore, guys. We don't support Goya in this house. We just had this and we bought it for our money, so we're gonna finish it, but we don't really support Goya in this household. Seasoned to perfection. Cayenne because I like my eggs really spicy. I used to do just salt and pepper for my eggs, but I recently discovered seasoned eggs. Life changer. If you don't season your eggs like you season your meat, and I promise you, your life will be changed. And pepper, of course. Like, I'm gonna stop using salt when I cook, because I don't know, sodium is terrible for you. And also I use regular fine, the not so good salt, not the sea salt, but the other one. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start watching my sodium level, because I mean, I'm pretty healthy right now, but you know, we're trying to be healthier. Yeah, so back. It's already done, so I'm just gonna put it aside, take it out and put it aside. If you don't really care about presentation, you could totally skip this step and just put your eggs in, but I am working on my omelet building skills, so I'm just gonna remove it and make my eggs separately so I could fold it. Like runny eggs, you could totally just add your filling and then close it, but I like my eggs well done. This is very awkward. Hold on. Okay, yeah, I like my eggs well done, so I'm just gonna flip it on both sides to make sure both sides are fully cooked. We do not like any runniness, any gooiness, and then add our filling. What I have for breakfast. I love breakfast so much, I will take like up to an hour to make my breakfast every day. I'm not an easy breakfaster. Yes, I'm not an easy breakfaster. I like full course breakfast. This is what it looks like. I'll enter the picture because the camera's not picking. Come on. Okay, let me just lower my light. Hold on. Oh wait. Yee. Okay, here it is. I just added some toast. Ta-da. I'll see you guys for my next meal. I have a face mask on. Hello. Okay, so since I already had a pretty filling breakfast, now I'm just gonna have a snack for lunch, or I don't know what you call it, a snack, a feast, I don't know. So I'm making a protein shake with half a banana, some almond milk, and my
collagen powder. I use this collagen powder if anybody is wondering. I got it from Target. Wait, I don't remember if it was Target or Amazon, but I got it somewhere. It's pretty good. About a scoop. And I'm going to add some of my Serious Mass protein powder. And this is the same protein shake I have after my workout as well. So. Okay, so for dinner I am having, my mom had this like chicken marinating in the fridge, so I just added some jerk sauce to it and some peppers and onion, and I'm gonna add it to my convection oven until it's done for about an hour. I would say. I'll check back with you.
Alrighty, so it has been about an hour or so. I also baked one sweet potato. That's the other foil. That's what it is. And when I tell you the combination, the jerk marinade and the piece is fire. When I tell you, like, it's so good. I'll definitely try this again. And yeah, that's it. That's my dinner, guys. I kept it pretty simple. When it comes to dinner, I don't really do much. I just go for whatever is easier, and this was pretty easy, so yeah. And ta-da! We're all done.
That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thanks for staying till the end. I hope you guys had a great Halloween. Oh well, today is Halloween, so happy Halloween first of all, and second, have a great election day, because by the time I post this video it will be November 4th, so the day after the election. So whatever the outcome is, I just want to say whatever the outcome is, make sure you guys stay hopeful, stay active, stay informed, and just stay safe most of all, because I know it's gonna be the next week or so is gonna be super crazy. So stay safe, you guys, and thank you again for tuning into this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you guys know when I post. I post every Tuesday, so I will see you guys next Tuesday. Cheers.